now I introduce Recare brand pregnancy test first. This is our pregnancy test first. Have a look about this. We put a plastic film here. Put a plastic film here to cover observe window. In this way, it can avoid urine come inside. This one can increase some cost, but can let our quality higher. So, and about this one, we choose the best quality plastic, very smoothly, and the color is pure color, you see. And our model is very good, and the size is 6 mm. When you put this one in your hand, you can know this is good quality. The sensitivity and accuracy is more than 99%, and CE approved 99%.